Hi, I'm Dr. Prestwich. I wanted to give you a quick overview of our office and what your first appointment will look like. Let's head on in. When you first enter the office, you will be greeted by somebody at the front desk who will take your personal information and get you checked in. After you get checked in, you can have a seat in our lobby and someone will be out to get you. This is our consultation room, where every new patient will come in and meet with our treatment coordinator, Julie. We'll go over what the orthodontic desires and needs that you have are. Great thing about our consultations is that they're always free, so it doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of your time to come in and find out what options are available to you. This is our orthodontic clinic, where all of our patients get their adjustments, get their braces put on, taken off. All the magic happens here. And now we're back in our in-house orthodontic lab. We use the latest technology to actually create all of our patients' retainers in-house. This provides our patients with custom fit retainers that fit really well and are very convenient for them. And here we have our records room, where our new patients and some of our current patients will get a 3D scan of their teeth and other records taken. Finally, we have our x-ray room where, you guessed it, we take x-rays. So that is everything you can expect at Prestwich Orthodontics. We hope you've enjoyed our space.